If you just saved your first $1,000, stop. Don't spend it. Don't invest it yet.
Most people either blow their first $1,000 on something random or throw it all into stocks hoping to get rich fast. Both are mistakes.
There's actually a proven order to follow, one that protects you and grows your money. I'm going to break down all 3 steps right now. Step 1. $500 goes straight into an emergency fund. This is your safety net. Money you never touch unless it's a real emergency.
Not for vacations, not for shopping, not for that thing you kinda need, just real unexpected emergencies, job loss, car repairs, medical bills. Once that safety net is full, it's time to move to step 2. And this one saves you way more money than you'd think. Step 2. $300 goes toward high-interest debt, especially credit cards. This is non-negotiable, and here's why. Credit card interest can be 20 to 30% a year. No investment reliably beats that. Paying off debt is your best investment. Every dollar you throw at that debt is a guaranteed return. Keep going until that balance hits 0. Then we move to the fun part.
Step 3. The remaining $200 goes into investing. This is where your money finally starts working for you instead of just sitting there.
Both work, but investing consistently, even in smaller amounts, builds the habit that makes you rich long-term. Consistency beats timing. Now let's talk numbers, because seeing this play out with real math is where it gets exciting. Let's say you invest that $200 every month starting today. $200 a month for 20 years at 8% return, that's $48,000 invested, but it grows to nearly $118,000 of time in the market. Now imagine you don't stop at 10 years. Let's push it to 20 years, same $200 a month. Watch what happens to that number. $200 a month for 20 years at 8% return, that's $48,000 invested, but it grows to nearly $118,000 of time in the market.
This is why waiting even a few years to start investing can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today.
All right, so now you know the order: emergency fund, debt, investing. But here's a question. What if you're not even sure how to start investing? Let's break that down next. There are 3 simple ways to start investing your $200. A retirement account, a brokerage account, or a robo-advisor. Let's go through each one fast.
Option 1, a retirement account, like a 401k or Roth IRA. If your job offers a 401k match, that's free money. Always grab that first.
Option 2, a brokerage account. This gives you full control to buy individual stocks, ETFs, or index funds. No restrictions on when you withdraw.
Option 3, a robo-advisor. It automatically invests your money for you based on your goals. Perfect if you want a hands-off, beginner-friendly approach. You don't need to be an expert to pick stocks. For most beginners, a simple, low-cost index fund is the smartest, safest way to grow that $200 every month.
Here's the real secret though. It's not about picking the perfect investment. It's about consistency. Investing $200 every single month, no matter what the market is doing.
Even when the market drops, keep investing. Those dips are actually opportunities. You're buying more shares for the same $200. This is called dollar cost averaging. Most people panic and stop investing when the market drops. Don't be most people. The ones who stay consistent are the ones who actually build wealth. Let's do one more quick example. If you invest that $200 a month for 30 years at 8% return, you're not looking at thousands anymore. You're looking at nearly $300,000. From $200 a month to nearly $300,000. That's not luck. That's not a lottery ticket. That's just consistency, time, and compound interest doing what they do best. So let's recap the full order one more time, because this is the part I need you to actually remember and act on.
First, $500 into your emergency fund. That's your protection, so life's surprises don't wreck your finances.
Second, $300 toward high-interest debt. Kill that debt before it kills your progress. Emergency fund. Debt. Investing. In that exact order, every single time, That's the real formula for building wealth from nothing.
If this helped you, drop a comment telling me where you're starting: emergency fund, debt, or investing. I read every single one. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next money breakdown. Smash that like button, and check out my other recent videos linked right here for more simple money tips.